Welcome back to the channel where we help you buy smart, not just buy. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a face-off between the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop. That's right, folks. It's time to find out which mop can steam away your worries and which one will just leave you mopping your tears. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go comes in at a cool $99, while the BISSELL Power Steamer is strutting its stuff at $175. Reviewers of the Steam & Go appreciate its affordability, especially for families with kids, while those who opt for the BISSELL feel they're investing in a more powerful cleaning tool. If you're looking to save, the Steam & Go is the way to go. Next up, functionality. The Steam & Go is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, able to tackle tile, grout, curtains, and even your couch. Reviewers rave about its versatility, especially the grout attachment that leaves showers sparkling. The BISSELL Power Steamer also shines with its 3-in-1 functionality, transforming into a handheld steamer. However, some users have noted that it can struggle with lighter tasks due to its weight. Both products serve their purpose well, but the Steam & Go may win if you need more versatility. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The Steam & Go features a dual tank system for water and detergent, making it efficient for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers consistently mention its effectiveness on laminate floors. Meanwhile, the BISSELL Power Steamer boasts high-temperature steam that blasts away dirt and grime, perfect for tough jobs. Users love its ability to clean grout effectively. However, some have reported durability issues with the accessories over time. Both products pack a punch, but the BISSELL seems to be the go-to for heavy-duty cleaning. Let's talk accessories. The Steam & Go comes with a few handy attachments, praised by users for their quality and effectiveness. However, the BISSELL is like that kid who shows up to school with a backpack full of toys. It includes 29 accessories. Reviewers appreciate the sheer number of tools available, although some have noted that not all are durable. If you love having options, the BISSELL might be your best friend, but the Steam & Go still holds its own with quality over quantity. Finally, convenience. The Steam & Go has a 20-foot power cord, making it easy to clean without tangling. Reviewers love this aspect, noting the ease of maneuverability. The BISSELL, while powerful, doesn't have automatic cord rewind, which can be a hassle. Some users appreciate the workout they get while cleaning, but if convenience is your top priority, the Steam & Go takes the lead. Overall, the reviews for both steam mops highlight their strengths and weaknesses. The Steam & Go is lauded for its affordability and versatility, making it a favorite among families. In contrast, the BISSELL Power Steamer is recognized for its heavy-duty cleaning capabilities, but has experienced some durability concerns with accessories. So which steam mop should you go for? If you're looking for versatility and a budget-friendly option, the Steam & Go might be your best bet. But if you want to unleash the power of steam and don't mind paying a bit more for a cleaning superhero, the BISSELL Power Steamer is ready to save the day. Remember, folks, whether you're going for the budget-friendly or the heavy-duty option, the most important thing is to buy smart. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun.